Winston,
Yeah.
what you deal with Aya?
There I am, man.
There, man. So, how you do? You say you're not me tell you about to do, no, take this hurricane, you're serious.
Well, who? Melissa?
Yeah, Melissa.
Oh, sorry, I know when I take girls serious now.
No.
Oh, man.
No.
It's a blessing from Jah.
Yeah.
Most I, Rastafari, I. He will come cleanse the earth.
So, if you might cleanse the earth, so, take precaution for the cleansing.
No, we don't take precaution. We have to accept the blessing when Jah I provide for all of we. He will wash with all the koro,
So, yeah, say you are koro then?
No, that's why me now but no roof, because him will bless me.
Oh.
In his sanctuary,
Oh.
Yes,
Sanctuary.
Yeah, man, and cleanse who are not pure.
Pure.
Yes.
Of heart.
Of heart.
Oh.
You understand, man?
Yeah, we understand.
Yes.
He's a very stupid way of thinking, though.
Right. What kind of stupid way,
No, because you say you're not go back. No, man. But listen to what I say, right?
You know what? Me don't want to talk to you anymore. I'm going to talk to the earth and the trees. You are corrupt, sir. You are not pure. Jah, go wash your way. You go wash your way.
Mad, where this side? Someone else is saying mad. I'm not to talk to you, Bush. When I talk to you, I would I'm not talk to you.